Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to create a responsive display ad. So, in order to create any campaign in Google account, first we need to go to campaign and create a new campaign. And here you need to decide what is the major objective of your campaign. So, for my campaign, the major objective I have chosen as the sales because the campaign I'm running is for a e-commerce website which names strands and stones, and the product I have chosen is earrings. So I have selected my main objective as sales, and then I'm proceeding. So here, as I'm creating a display ad, I'm going to select here as display, and here you need to give a URL of your landing page. So I'm selecting the landing page from here, and then I'm giving here. And here, if you want, you can use UTM builder also to give your landing page URL, and then click on continue. Now you need to give here campaign name. Here, here you need to write a campaign name. So in order to write campaign name, I always follow this rule: the product name and type of objective, type of ad, and campaign date. As my product I have selected is earrings, and objective is sales, type of ad is display ad, and the campaign start date is 3rd March. So I have selected and I have written this campaign name in this manner, and I'm selecting continue. So I'm going to create a new campaign here. So click on start now, and here for the locations I'm going to select all over the India. If you have any specific location, you can enter another location here. You can choose this option, another location, and you can give whatever you have selected for your campaign. But now I'm going to select India, entire India. I'm going to select here, and by default the language preferred is English. And now click on more settings and click on ad rotation, and always choose optimize prefer best performing ads, and click on more settings again, and you can here schedule your ads. But I wanted to run my ad all the day, so I'm not going to touch it. But if you want your ads to run in a different timings on a different days, then you can edit this and you can write it here. And I also want to show my ad on all devices. If you want to customize this option, like if you want to run your ads on phones or computers or tablets, that is the way you can select here, or you can customize here. And also I wanted to give my start date as 3rd March, and I'm choosing my end date as 5th March, and then I'm clicking on more settings. Here, from the content exclusions, you can select from any of the places. If you want your ads will not be displayed, then you can select those options. Like from these set of given options, I'm selecting I my ads will not be displayed in tragedy and conflict websites or sensitive social issues, and these things I'm going to select. And here these places I do not want my ads to be displayed. And then I'm going to select these and then click on next. So I'm bidding for conversions only, maximize conversions, and then click on next. And here you can select your targeting options. So for every ad, you can select one of the targeting option along with the demographics. So here first I wanted to choose the demographics. So I'm going to select choose only for female and male unknown. These are the categories gender wise, and I'm going to select only female audience, and I'm going to select only up to 44 age people, and I'm going to keep all the remaining options, and again click on add targeting. And in this targeting options, in audio, either you can select keyword targeting, topics targeting, placements targeting, or audience segments. Along with the demographic targeting, you need to select here. So now I'm going to select the audience segment, and I have chosen affinity targeting segment, and in affinity I have selected these categories like fashionistas, luxury shoppers, and fashion. As my product is earrings, I feel these could be the suitable options, so I selected these. And then I have already selected the demographics, and now continue. So here you need to create your ad, and I selected a new ad here, and here the business final URL, that means a landing page will be automatically displayed. And here from the main page of my website I have copied the business name, and I entered here as strands and stones. And here you can add up to 15 images. So in order to create the responsive ad, you need to give your raw material like images, brand name, brand logo, headline, description, and everything you need to give separately, so that Google will create a ad creative. So first of all, you need to upload your images here by clicking on this plus symbol. So I'm clicking here upload, and I'm going to upload it here from my device. And you can select up to 15 photos, but I have selected only 5 here for my first ad, and rest of the images I will use it for the next ad group or next ad. So I'm going to select here these images only, and I'm clicking on save. So here I have given my raw images, and then you can add your logo. So I have already added my logo here, and here you need to give your all your headlines and descriptions. So I was already my I kept my things ready, so I have selected some headlines and descriptions. Like I have concentrated on the best feature of, like, now the website has a 30% offer, so I concentrated on this, and I have created these headlines and descriptions, and I'm going to add them here in this page. And I have added my all my headlines and the descriptions, logo, raw materials, everything I have given here. And you can see the preview of your responsive ad like this: exclusive 30% off on earrings, shop now. And the next thing, I mean, whatever the creatives you have given, for that a responsive ad will be automatically created for the with the headlines and description that you have provided, along with the shop now option, in this way. So you can see the preview here, and now you can continue by adding the additional format options. So I'm going to give a call to action here. So I'm going to select shop now, and again you can see a preview here: 30% off Women's Day, exclusive 30% off on earrings, celebrate her 30% off jewelry, shop now, like this you can see. So that this means in this way your responsive ads will be displayed on some external websites and third party apps. And then I'm going to click create ad. So one of my ad has been created here, and now I'm going to click on next. So in this campaign I'm going to create only one ad group and one ad. If you wanted to create another ad group, you can create uh, another ad group by targeting a different audience, different targeting section. And here in this page you need to review. So here there is a red mark in budget and bidding. So if you can see there, you can see I forgot to add average daily budget for the campaign. So I'm going to select my average daily budget for this campaign is 500 rupees. So I added this, and then I came to review again, and now everything is fine. It seems, it looks like everything is fine. So once check this page, and if you feel everything is correct, then you can publish your campaign. So this is the way you can create your responsive display ad campaign and publish it. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video.